In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all chats in ChatGPT. If you're looking to clear out your conversation history and start fresh, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click, with a few tips to avoid surprises along the way. First, open chatgpt.com in your browser and log into your account. Once you're signed in, you should see the main ChatGPT interface with the conversation sidebar on the left and the chat area in the center. Make sure you're on the correct account you want to clean up, because the deletion you're about to do will apply to that account's history. Now look to the bottom left corner of the screen, click your profile name or icon there. Depending on your setup, it might show your initials or a small avatar. This opens a small menu with several options related to your account. From that menu, click Settings. A settings panel will appear. This is where you'll find privacy and data options that control what's stored and how ChatGPT handles your history. Take a breath here and make sure you're in the right place before moving forward. Inside the settings panel, select Data Controls. This section is specifically designed for managing things like your chat history and other account level data preferences. It's the place to go when you want to clean up your stored conversations or adjust how your data is handled. Look for the option labeled Delete All Chats. Next to it, you'll see a delete button. Click that delete button. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you really want to proceed. Read that message carefully. When you click Confirm Deletion, all conversations in your account's history will be permanently removed. This action can't be undone, and the change applies across devices where you use ChatGPT. If there's anything you might need later, consider copying important information to a safe place before confirming. After you confirm, the sidebar will clear out and your past chats will no longer appear. If the list doesn't update right away, give it a moment or refresh the page. From here, you can start a new chat with a clean slate. If you're using a different device or a mobile view, the layout may look slightly different, but the flow is the same. Open your profile menu, go to Settings, open Data Controls, and confirm the deletion. That's all there is to it. Quick, clear, and final.